Did you know how to add S-57 charts to your TMC workflow? This seamless integration adds crucial site context so you can operate with total confidence. To get started, navigate to your region's official ENC provider. If you are in the US, head over to charts.noaa.gov or use your local National Hydrographic Office's equivalent. From there, you can use the interactive catalog to zoom in on your specific work area, or select ENCs and download the S-57 files you need. The files will download as a zip file. Do not extract these files. TMC will handle this process. Next, navigate to your project in TMC and select Charts on the upper banner. Simply drag and drop the zipped ENC folder into the Charts pane on the left-hand side. After it loads, toggle the chart on in the Charts pane to allow for default visibility in displays. You can then open a display such as a grid model editor to view the chart and apply settings. Finally, use the layer control to bring the pane up and ensure the project layer is turned on. Select the layer, scroll down to the S-57 settings, and adjust them as needed to optimize your workflow.